Welcome back to another week of Tech Tuesdays. Today, what I wanted to do was to highlight a question that we're so frequently asked, and specifically after sponsoring a session at the GLOT conference last week, we had many people come up to us and say, well, why would AuraPlayer sponsor such a session when AuraPlayer and Apex are competitors? So we wanted to set the record straight for everyone in the Oracle community, as Apex has definitely become one of the most popular and most talked about modernization tools. So we wanted to make it clear that AuraPlayer and Apex are not competitors necessarily, but rather they can work together. So I wanted to just highlight a few points that are really important to understand when seeing this collaboration. So AuraPlayer can actually work as a phased approach for the migration towards Apex. And how you can do that is you can develop using your Forms or EBS system, create microservices, and then swap them out for back-end database services in the future. You can focus on developing your UX, UI with AuraPlayer and Apex in the short term, and then have the Oracle Forms modernized system go live within a few weeks, which can include graphs and maps and so forth. There's really a lot of information here, and if anybody is interested in Apex or looking into it and wanting to find a way to maybe, kind of bridge that gap between that back office business logic from their form system and the amazing benefits that Apex has, please do feel free to reach out. The last thing that I wanted to show here was just, understanding what Apex has and then how AuraPlayer can complement that. So just going through the chart briefly, as we all know, Apex is a wizard-based development code tool which offers a low-code platform. I just wanted to touch upon a few things that when you mix the Apex and AuraPlayer solutions together, what you'll get. So you get full support for Oracle Forms desktop functions. There's no need for backend elements using ORDs or so forth. And really, any use case that is currently running in your Oracle Forms or EBS system can be deployed and created as new APIs to plug into your Apex front ends. So I went a little bit over my time today, but I did just really want to set the stage straight and to really outline and have this be an understanding that when you see Apex and when you see AuraPlayer, they are not at the competition level, but rather can be working together to create really the all-around best of both worlds for Oracle Forms and Oracle EBS users. Now, if you're interested or you liked what you heard today, please do feel free to reach out to us. Feel free to leave comments in this comment section below, or you can go ahead and reach out to us by our website or in the direct messaging as well. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and let's keep on modernizing Oracle Forms and EBS. As always, knowledge is power. Bye for now.